TikTok's new monetization program is now available for all eligible US creators. It requires at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last month. TikTok says anyone entering the creativity program beta can't return to the Creator Fund. The previous monetization system launched in 2020 with an initial $200 million commitment, and a later promise to grow it to $1 billion over 3 years. Snapchat is expanding its revenue-sharing program to entice creators. The app is expanding its revenue-sharing program and adding new public-facing features to help creators get started and get discovered in the app. The first Android 14 beta lets apps add custom sharing features. We still wouldn't use the beta on a mission-critical phone, but it's now reliable enough that you might want to try it on a secondary handset where glitches are tolerable. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. All prices are correct at the time of publishing. Apple releases its first rapid-fire security updates for iPhone, iPad and Mac. Apple promised faster turnaround times for security patches with iOS 16 and macOS Ventura, and it's now delivering on that claim. The concept of emergency security updates isn't new, of course. Google is replacing Chrome's lock icon because most people don't know what it means. LG launches a new, super slim, gram laptop with a 15-inch OLED display. LG says the Super Slim has passed 7 tests to ensure military-grade durability, which is a good thing as we have noted some issues with previous gram laptops surrounding flexibility and build quality. You can purchase one with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD for $1,700 or a model with 32 GB of RAM and a 2 TB SSD for $2,000.